Ooh, did you hear that crash? It's never a good sign, but it wasn't on my head this time. And the spider that lives in here hasn't been seen for a little while, which is always slightly worrying because you think, I wonder where it is. Is it watching? Is it learning? It could be the world's most qualified spider for 11 plus by the time we finish. Do you fancy going to the grammar school with a spider? I don't suppose there are any rules about spiders taking the 11 plus, are there? Right, in 7 years... Oh, that's not the wrong question. Right, I go shopping to buy some new pens, pencils and rubbers. You see, that's the lovely thing about doing exams or starting a new school. It gives you a chance, if you can possibly afford it, to buy new stationery. And if you can't, it gives you, you've got several months and things to just save up. You get another nice pencil and another nice rubber. And just sort of that collecting, it's so much fun. Right, I buy 15 new pencils at a cost of 12 pence each. 6 new rubbers at a cost of 20p each, and 5 new pens at a cost of £1 and 5 pence each. How much do I spend altogether? Right, don't slack on the workings. So 15, so we're doing, what is it? We're doing the pencils first. That's quicker than writing pencils. And that is 15 times 12. 15 times 12. So 10 times 12 is 120. 5 times 12 is half, that's 60. So that's 180. So that's 180. Now, I'm just going to do it all in pence so far. So you're okay with that? So that's £1.80. Now, don't rub things out when you're doing workings. I'm doing it because of lack of space. You just leave it because you'll need it to check. 6 new rubbers at 20 pence each. 6 times 2 is 12. Slap on the naught is 120. And then 5 new rubbers at £1 and 5 pence each. So we can stick with the pennies, and 5 of them. I think it's easiest to do it this way. 5 times 5 is 25. 0 times 5 is 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. Anything I need to add on? 5. Right. Try and keep your columns nice and clear. And add in the plus. Let's have another colour. What do you fancy? Ooh, you don't, do you? Right. 0 and 0 is 0 and 5 is 5. 8 and 2 is 10 and 2 is 12. Carry the 1. 1, 2, 3 and 5 is 8. So that's 825 pence. So we're going to make that into pounds. It's £8.25. Too many children try and do these in their head, and that's where it goes wrong. I know they can get it right in their heads, but the ones that are consistently getting it right don't do it in their heads. They do it in their heads to check. There's a difference. See you soon.